What's up guys, Viminal back at it again with another video review, and today I have in my hands the G633 from Logitech. Now this is a gaming headset, obviously. But when we think of Logitech, we always think about webcams. We always think about gaming mice, gaming keyboards. You know, that's because they're absolutely incredible at making those products. We seem to have forgotten that Logitech was also one of the first people to make a 5.1 surround sound speaker system that's geared towards gaming, like way back in the early 2000s. You know, I've had one of those speaker systems before and I used them a lot, like back in the day when I was a kid, and it worked great. But in 2019, should we consider Logitech for something like gaming headsets? Now, first off is product packaging. Logitech, the G series, I gotta say, it always looks really clean, really, minimalist, really classy, and it looks like a gaming product without being overly flashy and red and black. And I really like the restraint that Logitech is showing here, and it looks very clean. And you know how I love minimalist style designs. It's very straightforward, straight to the point. And obviously at the back you have ample product information, notable product features, which I'm going to be glossing over in just a minute. Holding this headset in your hands, the construction and build quality really stands out to me. Got these stainless steel headbands over here, hard plastic material encasing the stainless steel headband. Some etching, decorative etching that makes it look like a gamer product, but in a good way, And you got some sort of memory foam padding over here on the ear cups and the headband. Very comfortable. From an aesthetics point of view, it doesn't look overly flashy by any means, but it has some decorative etching over here and a Logitech G glowing logo, which is RGB obviously. What's really cool is that you have a programmable RGB LED strip that runs across the ear cup. What stands out to me with this headset is that the robust feature set that it has, especially in this price range where it's competing with a lot of headsets that doesn't really come close to all the features it has. It has 5 programmable buttons on the side of the ear cup, a mute, volume wheel as well. Also, you can choose between a USB plug and a 3.5mm audio jack. So you can switch from PC mode to 3.5mm audio jack. But yeah, running through the software, you have all those features, programmable buttons as well, different sound profiles, equalization profiles, 7.1 surround sound included. And of course, you can't forget about the retractable microphone, which is very good. Now, there's a lot of gaming headphones out there. You can't retract the mic, you can't remove the mic, and if you're like me, who I just use the headset for audio and I have a microphone connected to my computer for audio output. So this is like a godsend feature, being able to retract the mic, and it looks very neat and clean when the mic is retractable. It doesn't look very bulky at all. It's definitely gonna get the job done for Discord or team comms. Obviously, it's not going to be a broadcast quality microphone, but it's pretty decent and it sounds fine. I have very large ears, and this actually fit my ears perfectly. After a while, after I got used to the weight of the headset, which is not very heavy, by the way, it felt like as if I wasn't really wearing anything over my head, which is great because that would allow me to focus on the content more than being over encumbered by a heavy headset. This is a very good sounding headset. Obviously a bit heavy on the bass, as with most gaming headsets are, especially those gaming headsets produced a couple of years ago. And I found that with the flat EQ response mode, the headsets sound fairly accurate. Now, you're gonna be using this for games, right? Not to produce music anyway. And when you use it in-game, you're gonna be hearing, I assume it's the bass frequencies are boosted because you're supposed to be hearing footsteps louder, you're supposed to be hearing gunshots and explosions louder, and those low frequencies are going to be basically boosted, so you would be able to pinpoint the location of the enemy faster instead of a flat EQ response where the sound typically sounds dull for you to be able to hear every frequency. But obviously in a gaming setting, you want to be immersed in the audio and you want those loud explosions, you want to hear those footsteps. And I think this headset really achieves that out of the box. But if you tinker around with the equalization, you can get it to sound flat if you want to. Not a lot of headsets offer that much flexibility, and I can safely say that the G633 offers that flexibility. It's just a really good looking product, a really comfortable product that sounds good. So I think that overall this is a good headset. And it really boggles my mind why I haven't considered purchasing or using a Logitech gaming headset before. Maybe I overlooked it and maybe you overlooked it too. I've used a lot of gaming headsets in the past, especially this year. And so far, this one has the most features. This one is one of the better sounding ones and like in a moderate price range. So I think this is definitely worth considering, guys. So that's it for my quick video review of the G633 headset by Logitech. You know, I hope this video was informative for you if you're out on the market looking for a brand new headset. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Viminal. Like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, I'll catch you next time.